Hi friends, welcome back to our cozy crochet corner. Today we're making a lovely rose bag, perfect for carrying your small essentials or gifting to someone special. With its floral design, this bag adds a soft, handmade charm to any outfit. We'll be using 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook for this project. Take a moment to grab your materials, relax, and enjoy the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun and creative crochet tutorials. Let's get started. For round 1, start by chaining 1, 03. Then, turn your work, skip the first 2 chains, and make a half double crochet in each stitch across. This will form the foundation of your bag. Great job setting the base. Tip: make sure your chains are not too tight to avoid curling. Moving on to round 2. Chain 6, skip the next 2 stitches, and in the following stitch, do 1 double crochet followed by chain 3. Repeat this pattern all the way around. You should now have a lacy structure taking shape. You're doing amazing. Tip: keep your chain 3 loops even for a more consistent texture. Now for round 3, part A, we begin shaping the flower elements. Start with chain 3, then do 4 double crochets DC in the next stitch. Repeat this set 4 times. Then chain 3 and make a slip stitch, Celeste twice, to transition smoothly. Look at those petals blooming. Tip: keep your yarn tension relaxed to let the petals spread naturally. Let's continue round 3. Now repeat this motif 5 times. Chain 3, then 3 DC, DC increase, 2 DC in 1 stitch, 3 DC, chain 3, slip stitch twice. This forms fuller petals with a little puff. It's really starting to look like a rose now. Keep going. You're doing beautifully. Tip: use a stitch marker to track the start of each petal cluster if needed. And finally, round 3, part C. Work this decorative edging pattern all the way around. SLC, H4, 4E, E, H2, SLC, E, 4E, H4, SLC. These stitches create elegant loops around your flower, giving the rose bag a blooming effect. You're almost there. Tip: E stands for elongated stitch. Make sure to pull your loop slightly taller than usual. If you've never done one, it's like a tall DC with a little stretch. And that's it, friends. You've just completed your beautiful rose bag. Isn't it blooming with charm? You did such an amazing job today. Every stitch you made added your personal touch to this piece. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crochet joy. I'd love to see your finished bag. Feel free to tag me on social media or share in the comments below. Until next time, happy crocheting and keep creating beauty with your hands. Love.